Good morning once again. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, children, listen and follow what I am telling you because these are the instruction which is for everyone. Sit properly with your books. This child is sitting not properly, Meer Virani. Sit properly. Okay. Take your notebook. I think you have this one line notebook with you. Open this notebook, right? Open this cover page first. Write your name on the cover page. For example, my name is Renu Punjabi, so I will write Renu Punjabi. Grade is third, you are in fourth. Division is A, right? And then you write the subject mathematics. Please complete this cover page first.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have already my parents wrapped it, so I can know it is my book
Okay.
because every in
Okay,
days
my dear.
my parents just only wrap.
Okay, I understood. If we talk much on the same topic, my dear, we will not able to do what we are doing in a day. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Open. Yes.
I am in my grandma's house, so I can write in the school book, so I can write in rock book.
Today you were showing me one notebook.
What, ma'am?
You were showing me no one notebook. अभी आप मेरे को एक notebook दिखा रहे थे.
I am not showing the.
Maybe another child. So Laisha, you do 1 or 2 days will be okay. After that, I will not allow you to do any rough notebook. I want the school notebook to complete your work. Yes, please don't show me. Keep it down. Now open your index page, everyone. Open your index page.
Okay.
Lavisha, tell me what are the headings given in your index page? SR number. Is my board clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Pin on my board screen, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Pin on my board screen. Serial number. After serial number, which is the next heading?
Date.
No. Subject is
Date. Date.
Date is given, Laisha. Kavisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, date is given. That which is the next column?
Title. Title.
Okay, next, which is the next column after title?
Page.
number.
Page number. Okay, next column,
Page.
which number? Which is the next?
Remark.
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 Okay. Remark is the last one.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. My first is SR number, then title, then page number, then date, and then signature.
I will tell you.
Excuse me, ma'am. We want to write with pen or pencil.
Pen.
Index pen.
Children,
Pen.
when we write in the notebook, listen the instruction. He has asked very good question, Arna. So this instruction is for everyone. We will use gel pen or the fountain pen. No ball pens to be used. Gel pen or fountain pen in notebook, and we will use pencil in textbook. And if you will show me pen from there, I will not able to recognize which pen is this. So please, when I'm giving you instruction, listen it and ask from your parents that which is the gel pen, and they will tell you the differentiate between gel pen and the ball pen. Right? So if you don't have gel pen today pencil, gel pen, ball pen, any pen will be allowed. But from tomorrow onwards, you will only use the gel pen. Am I clear? And only one color gel pen, blue. No two colors. Because
We can use fountain pen.
yeah, fountain pen. I told na gel pen and fountain pen. Okay, can I start now? Okay, now listen here. Some of you are having title first, some of you are having date first, no problem. Okay, the thing is we will use which of the headings we will use in serial number, SR number we will write the numbers daily, जो भी topic करेंगे we will do. डेट पे हम डेट लिखेंगे, वेदर डेट का कॉलम आपका फर्स्ट है और थर्ड है और सेकंड है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Then is the title. Title is the topic which we will do. So every day when I will make the index on the board, you also update your index. आप भी अपने index को update करेंगे. So today is our first topic. So write the number 1 here in the serial number. Then write the today's that is 4/04/21. And in the title write recap. Recap means revision. Recap of number system. Recap of my cursive. You will understand cursive, my dear children?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. RECAP. Recap of. I'm not very good in print handwriting. So please cooperate because I have a habit of writing in cursive. Recap of number system. NUMBER. Number SYSTEM. Try to write this recap of number system in one line only. तो आपका पूरा आ जाए. Otherwise, if you use 3-4 lines, तो आपका index बहुत जल्दी भर जाएगा. Try to use it one line only. आपकी तो line काफी बड़ी है title की. This much, right? Am I right? Yes, show me thumbs up. तो आप try to write in the one that use one line only. 2-3 लाइन ही यूज करोगे तो इंडेक्स बहुत जल्दी बढ़ जाएगा. एंड मैथमेटिक्स में हमारे बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स होते हैं. Am I clear? So I hope. See, page number वाला column हम नहीं use करेंगे. So we will don't cut this, but I am showing you we are not going to use the page number column. And remark column is also for not your use. Teacher will sign and teacher will check. Okay? Clear till here? Only 3 columns you will use. First is for serial number, then is for date, and then is for title. Once you are done with this, then open the new page in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have not a title.
Ma'am, you have to write 1 on page.
What 1 on page means?
In page number, you have to write 1.
Don't write anything in the page number. Don't write anything in the remark.
Renu, ma'am,
Yes.
which pen we have to use?
I have explained in the beginning. Gel pen, blue pen. Blue. Only one color pen. Don't use different colors. Maths, if you use many different colors and you will be busy in the colors, so you will miss your topic. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yes,
I can see.
you cannot see.
Yes, ma'am, your camera is off.
My camera is off, my dear children. Is it visible or not? Visible. Dear, you
Ma'am, you are visible.
do one thing, dear. Switch, log out and log in again.
Ma'am, I can see. Now.
Yeah. Okay. So can I move now for your topic? I'm going to erase the index every day. I will write the index on the board. You will also write the index along with me. Am I clear?
Ma'am,
Yes, which child is speaking?
ma'am, me, I'm writing.
Please write it fast. Now everyone, other children, those who have finished the index, they open the new page. बिल्कुल fresh. Next index के बाद वाला page, fresh page निकालो. This way. Index के just बाद वाला page which you have like this, right? Lining, single line note page. Open this page. Now, in this page, write today's date. Write date, write C.W. Children, I have noticed few of the student write date in that pencil जो बनी हुई है उसके अंदर date लिखते हैं. But that become untidy. So what you do? There is a one square box is also given to your left corner. उसमें आप date लिखें तो neatly दिखेगी. Am I clear? So 2.04.21 date. Write the date and to your right corner write C.W. After writing this, you need to give, there is a red line given. Below the red line से नीचे एक red line बनी हुई है आपकी notebook में. Red line से नीचे आप आज का topic लिखेंगे जो मैंने आपको index में लिखवाया था. Recap of, sorry, I will write in the print. Recap of number system. ये आपने हेडिंग देके उसको अंडरलाइन कर देना है, नीट वर्क करना है, राइट? डन, आपने हेडिंग दे दिया, कर लिया, डन एवरीवन? डू इट फास्ट, फास्टर डू इट, एंड कीप योर माइक ऑफ प्लीज, इट डिस्टर्ब्स मी अ लॉट, बीच बीच में किसी का ऑन हो रहा है.
मैम
Done title? Done. Can I erase my full board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Children, you have learned which is the smallest number, which is the greatest number. Have you learned that in the grade 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Moj will tell me. Wait a minute. Very good. Show me thumbs up, no, if you know that anything. Priyag will tell me. Priyag?
Yes,
Priyag, tell me which is the smallest one-digit number.
1.
Next child, Janya. Janya, is it correct? He is saying the smallest one-digit number is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Meer Virani will tell me. Meer Virani, which is the smallest two-digit number?
Ma'am, smallest.
Yes, smallest two-digit
10.
number. 10. Next will Arnav will tell me. Arnav, greatest one-digit number.
Greatest one-digit number 9.
Yes, very good. Now here will tell me here. Greatest two-digit number.
99.
Okay, good. Now Heath will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Smallest three-digit number.
Smallest 3-digit. 100.
100. Very good. Deerg will tell me. Deer,
Yes,
greatest four-digit number.
Greatest 4 digits.
Yes.
9,999.
Very good. Next is Laisha will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Laisha, smallest four-digit number.
Smallest 4-digit number.
Yes.
1000.
Yes. So children, have you noticed one thing when I'm talking about smallest or when I'm talking about greatest? तो क्या चीज follow हो रही है smallest में और greatest में? What have you observed in the smallest numbers and the greatest numbers? Raise your virtual hand. I will talk. Don't unmute your mic without my calling my name. I will call your name. You please raise your virtual hand and ask and tell that you are ready. What difference you have observed or what you have observed when I'm asking about the smallest number and when I'm asking about the greatest number? Dheer has raised the hand. Yes, Dheer. Can you please explain us?
Ma'am, the smallest digit numbers all have some zeros and the greatest digit numbers have 9s only.
Yes, smallest number, the smallest one digit, you know, 1. Right? Don't write anything. This is just for your explanation. When I will, when I need that you also write, then I will tell you that start writing. Okay? This is just for the explanation. Smallest one digit number, you all know 1. Right? Smallest two digit number, you know, 10. Smallest three digit number, you know, 100. Means with the 1 is fixed and it is followed by the number of the zeros. अगर 3 digit number है तो 1 तो होगा ही, 2 0 extra लग जाएगी. 4 digit number है, 1 होगा ही, 3 3 zeros और लग जाएंगे, टोटल 4 डिजिट हो गया. सो विद द 1 फॉलोड विद बाय द zeros उसमें ऐड हो जाएंगे. स्मॉलेस्ट का रिलेशन 1 के साथ 0 से होता है. ग्रेटेस्ट का रिलेशन 9 के साथ होता है, राइट? सो ग्रेटेस्ट 1 डिजिट नंबर इज 9 and then followed with the number of nines. जितने, अगर if I say greatest 2 digit number, so 99, 99. Greatest 3 digit number 999. Greatest 4 digit number 9999. So on it will go. 6 digit number, 7 digit number. Greatest पूछा है तो 9 से relation है उसका. Smallest है तो 1 के साथ number of 0 से relation है उसका. Am I clear till here? Okay. Okay. Now this is clear. The smallest number and the greatest number is clear to you all. Now I will tell you how to read the numbers, how to write the number names. You all know the place value?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So for example, this question, when I will complete this, discussing about this, then I will tell you to write this. Write this much handwriting is clear to you all? This handwriting is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the following. Write the following numbers. NUMBERS. Numbers in words. In words. WORDS. Start writing now, children. Start writing.
Renu Punjabi ma'am
Yes.
to write this.
Yes, yes. Start writing. Write the following numbers in words. So my first is 3, 5, 4. Draw a line and write it number name. Janya, why you are sitting? Next is, so better write A and B in the, because when you write numbers here, you will get confused. A is telling 345 को write it in the words. Words means you write it in the spellings. आपको इसकी spellings लिखनी है. और अब spellings कैसे लिखनी है अगर आपको इसकी places पता है. Now I will ask from here. Here, what is the place of 4 here in this number?
Renu ma'am, the following spelling we cannot see because the checkbox.
FOLLOWING. FOLLOWING. Here, tell me what is the place of 4 in this number?
Hundreds place.
4 key.
Tens.
No.
Ones.
Ones है इसकी place. है ना? What is the next? Rishit will tell me. Rishik Bajaj. Rishik 5 की place क्या है?
Yes, ma'am. 500. Ma'am, 100.
No. So tell me what is the place of 5? And don't take help from your parents. I request you, please. Rishik, this is tens.
Okay.
Okay. Next is Navya. Navya, what is the place of 3 here?
100.
100. Very good. So before writing into the words, spellings में लिखने से पहले उनकी places अगर आप लिख लोगे तो it will be very easy for you to write it into the names. Am I clear? Now, when you read this number with its place value, it means you will able to write it into the number names. Next is Neet. Neet. Now we have Neet. We have written the places. Now will you able to read this number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read along with the play. Don't read 3, 5, 4. Read with the places.
354.
Okay, you said end. When we write the number name, we will not use end. आप end नहीं use करना. This is the rule. So now you will write 300. The spelling of 3 is THREE. 300. H-U-N. Please learn the spellings also. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 300. F-I-F-T. What is the spelling of 50?
So ma'am, we do not
T-Y.
What means?
So ma'am, we have to do not write end.
No, don't write end.
Okay ma'am, I have not.
354. F-O-U-R. Clear? Now, one I have explained you. Second one I will give you, which is having 4 place values. Now, put the place values first and do its number name by yourself. Once you are done, please write it in the chat box. Write this, do this by your own, everyone. And once you are done, then write the number name of this number in the chat box, and I will tell you which child has done correctly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to
What we have to?
leave one line.
Yes, leave one line after the first one. So it will look neat work. Once you complete this number name, leave one line, then start the second one. My board is clearly visible to everyone.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
case if you're not able to see it or it is blurred, just please let me know.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the chat box is off, so I.
Ma'am, you're visible.
Okay, maybe chat box is off. Maybe it will be off. Okay, it's not available at this time. Sorry. So I will ask from the children individually. That child will answer me. Yuksurana, why your camera is off, Yuksurana? Yes, can you please answer me how we will write the places of this and how we will write it into the words?
Yes, ma'am. First, 2000.
So no, from the back, tell me what is the place value of this 4?
This 4 ones.
Ones. What is the place of 6?
Tens.
Tens. Whenever you're writing into the number names or in the words, please write their places. Then it will be easy for you to write in the words. Okay. Now next child will tell me, Anshil. Anshil, what is the place of 0 here?
110.
Ones, tens. Next, what is the place of next? 0 is here.
100.
100. Please don't take help from your parents. This I am doing recap. Means already you have learned in grade 3. Mute
Yes,
yourself now.
Okay.
Next is Kavisha. Kavisha, what is the place of 2 here?
Yes, ma'am. 1000.
1000. Now, Heath will tell me. Heath, now read this complete number with the places and write it into the words.
2064.
Yeah, because 0 is not having, this 100 is not having any number. So we skip this and we directly go to the 64. 2000. What is the spelling of 60?
I can say T-Y.
S-I-X-T-Y. 60. F-O-U-R.
SIXTY.
Yes.
Next C1.
Yeah, wait. No C1, only 2 examples of this. Okay. Next, I will do the next question.
Write this, no?
Neatly, when I will tell you children have to attach this work, click photo. When I will post in the classroom that attach your classwork, you have to attach your classwork there in the classroom. Okay? Even I want the classwork also. Okay? So I will today put in the assignment that attach your classwork, then you attach your classwork there. Now go to the next question. Write the question number 2. Write the following 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 number names in figures. मीन्स अब आपको इनको फिगर्स में लिखना है, राइट? इफ आई राइट ए, अब स्पेलिंग्स में आपके पास होगा 624 624. Now, Kiana will tell me, Kiana, how you will write this number in the figures.
6,
6,
then 2, and then 4.
2 and 4. See, you have done directly. This is good that you know directly. If any child doesn't know directly, I'll request that child. 600 लिखा हुआ है, so means your highest place value कितनी होगी? 1s, 10s और 100 ऊपर लिख लो. जब फर्स्ट नंबर जो है वो 600 है, तो आपके हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 100 तक नंबर जाएगा. So जब आपने 1, 10, 100 लिख लिया, so 600, so 6 will go under the 100 and 24, so 20 like this. So it will be easy, आप कहीं confuse नहीं होंगे. So whenever you see that आपकी highest place value क्या है, आप place values लिख दो highest place value तक, and then you write the numbers. Your number will not be wrong. Clear? So in this, you please write 1s, 10s, 100 at the top, and then write the number in the figures. Next, B. 4,035. Now, wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is that after 4,000?
THI.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Which one? This one, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
THIRTY, 30. 35. Now, which is your highest place value here? Which is your highest place here?
1000.
1000. तो आपका नंबर 1000 से ऊपर तो नहीं जाएगा. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 आप लिख लोगे. Now, how many thousands are there? How many thousands are there in this number? 4,000. So you write 4 number. And is there any 100 in this number?
No,
4,035. Is there any 100 in this number?
No,
So what we will write in the 100 place?
0.
0.
I'm 0.
Then what we will write the next?
35.
35. आपको ये क्लियर हुआ? हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू आप जब लिख लोगे तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू राइट इट इनटू द फिगर्स. क्योंकि जो प्लेस मिस हो रही है उसकी जगह आप 0 भी लिख सको. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Still here, everyone is clear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Very good. So can I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, now question 3.
Now question 3.
Excuse me, ma'am, what was the B1?
B1 was 2000. Wait a minute. 4000. B1 was 4035.
Ma'am, 4035.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we will compare. Comparison means we will compare in between two digits which is greater and which is lesser. You will see these signs.
Question 3.
Yeah, question 3. Thank you.
Come, ma'am.
These signs, are you familiar with these signs? Okay. What does this sign means?
This is
Prayag, can you try? What does this sign means?
Yes, ma'am. Greater than.
No.
Uh,
When
less than, ma'am. Less than.
less than. जब यहाँ पर आपका close आ रहा है तो this is less than. And this is greater than sign. And this is you all know equal to sign. So if I write any number 6754 7671, how you will compare? You will compare from the last place value digit. Here is 6. First of all, you need to 7671. Now,
Ma'am,
yes.
can you write the question too, because I had entered, so I have a meeting.
Second question complete. Second question you want. My dear Bhakti, the entire second question you want? Bhakti, please continue the third question. Then I will tell you what to do. Okay? Leave the space for second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Leave the space for second one. Your network
Yes,
is
ma'am.
still facing difficulty, problem. So do the second one and then I will explain you. See children. So when I will write both the side numbers are there, now we need to compare which is greater than, which is less than. First of all, we need to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many in this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So both the sides, the number of the digits are same. Now, here is 6, here is 7. Which one is greater?
7.
7 one is greater. So crocodile mouth will be open this side. When we read this, we say that 6754 is less than, because this side is coming closer. आपको ये side देखना है किसकी तरफ close हो रहा है. तो जब आप इसको read करोगे sentence को, so we will say that 6754 is less than 7671. Am I clear? You will not say that. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic, everyone. Please mute your mic. You will not say 7671 is greater than, because आपको यहाँ से पढ़ना शुरू करना है. 6754 is less than 7671 से less है. So this is greater. Ultimately आपको समझ में आ गया ये greater होगा. But यहाँ पर ये जब close आ रहा है, इस side अगर close आ रहा है, means this is less than sign. And when we are showing towards the crocodile mouth, means this number is greater. So ये आपको तब याद रखना है जब आप इसको पढ़ोगे तो सेंटेंस को आप यहाँ से फ्रेम करोगे. That 6754 is less than 7671. मतलब वही निकलता है कि 7671 is greater than. जब हम यहाँ से चलें, उल्टा चलें, तो it is greater than this. Clear? Go to the next one. 7890. Now tell me which number. We will put the arrow towards which side. Crocodile will reach this number or this number.
7,890.
इसमें भी हमेशा आप प्लेस वैल्यू लिख लोगे तो आपको इजी होगा. ये 1000 तक जा रहा है, ये 100 तक जा रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली विच वन विल बी द ग्रेटर? 1001 will be the greater. So here also we will read as 789 is less than 7890. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know comparison, how to compare the number which is greater and which is lesser?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now my network came, so can you tell me the question number 2?
Can you please ask from any of your friend, my dear, after the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you're not able to do that thing, then I will explain you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Children, you know the word after number and before number? After
Yes,
number
ma'am.
and before number.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if I give you, don't write this question 4, I'm explaining you. If I write 85, what comes after 85?
86. 86.
So what are you doing in 85 so that the 86 is coming?
After plus
What adding you in this? What are you adding in this?
1.
Very good. When you add 1, you get the after number. If I say what comes before 85, 84.
Minus 1.
So what are you doing in this? Minus 1. After, before, you know, you have learned from the beginning, from the earlier classes. But I use the different terms. इसके दूसरे नाम भी होते हैं. इसके दूसरे नाम भी होते हैं. No. Children, इसके दूसरे नाम भी होते हैं. After का एक और नाम है. किसको पता है? After number. Who knows what is the other name of after?
Ma'am, predecessor and successor.
Yes. So after का नंबर होता है successor और before का एक और नाम होता है, that is called synonyms also. Same number, same meaning निकलता है इनका. So after का है successor and before का है predecessor.
Ma'am, we want to write question number 4. This one.
Yeah, now write what I will write here. Write successor of 599 का successor लिखो. Next is fifth one. Write predecessor of 400. 400 का predecessor क्या होगा और 599 का successor क्या होगा? This only today is the 5 questions. Okay, this is the last one. Completed and discuss with me this question first. What is the successor of 599?
Ma'am,
Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Yes.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, Rishik.
Ma'am, Rishik.
Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, 600.
Very good. So all please write 600, the successor of 599. Next will be Bhakti. Bhakti, will you tell me what is the predecessor of 400?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me fast.
399.
Excellent. 399 is the predecessor of 400. Clear till now? Everyone is clear in our today's class? Any doubt? Any problem?
No, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can see the processor.
Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, it's predecessor. Write the spelling again. Wait a minute. I will write it from here so that it will be clearly visible to you. Predecessor. Predecessor. And please attach your today's classwork when I will post in the assignment that please attach your work. You all have to attach your work. Am I clear? Okay. Bye bye. Thank you for today's class.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.